Again, today's about May 25, May 25, Sunday. Okay.
Oh, naling anak pat mo niya Ram, naling anak pat mo niya Ram. Oh.
So we start the first quarter. Okay, first our winner of the basketball Govinder Cup. We'd like to thank first YouTube, Facebook, Google, Studio Reviews, Dr. Young Sabal, Magdala Kubra Yaman Champion, Mr. Noy Hobson, Boston Marathon, Mr. Zamali Hobson, Mr. and Mrs. Yu from Paper Mill Corporation, Mr. and Mrs. Roy Cabanya, Mrs. Torita J. Sabina, Mrs. Emilio Matulog, Dr. Ed Adama, Mrs. and Mrs. Medina Carrion, Alice Dixon, Mr. and Mrs. Indiapi, Heidi Uyao, J. Master Senior from Espea, Mr. Quintana, Amili Cabrera for being sponsor of the first Arwin of the Dominican Basketball Cup 2014. This is the semi-final round between Bruta and Kalisay. So this one will be a champion for Tuesday sa private. Here's Bruta.
Balik mo doon, go!
Again, this is the semi-final first. First, Arwin ng Dominican Basketball Cup. Arwin ang Dominican stumble sa kanyang sakit. Arthritis, stroke, and heart problems, obesity, diabetic, injured athletes.
Yara, sulang ba? Tubig kami. Wala man ang bugnoging.
For elderly patient, for very busy business person. Again, tested and proven, can browse the YouTube. Direct exercises for the heart, 2-in-1, both hand and foot. Watching TV exercises at the heart, no vehicle accident, no. Thank you.